Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the file name, directory name, or volume label syntax is incorrect in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to try to rename the folder into your Windows system language. My Windows system language is English, so I'm gonna rename my folder into it, okay? So I'm gonna name this folder. Okay. So once you have the change the name into this Windows system language that is compatible again to your Windows system language, press and enter. And the moment you have renamed it, proceed on opening your folder. Okay. Here, try to set up that particular application or yes program that you are trying to set up with in your Windows or computer, and now it's working. Okay, you can choose your language that you would prefer and you can go with it and click on install to finished, and there you have it. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.